you're usually on your weight loss journey, एक confusion जो usually हमें हो जाती है वो है कि हम रेसिपी क्या बनाएं, खाना क्या खाएं। Well, I'm here to tell you that हमारा जो सिंपल घर में जो खाना बनता है वही होता है हमारा very simple easy breakfast recipes जो help in your weight loss journey। recipes जो instant है, quick है, under 5 minutes बनती है, healthy breakfast recipes that you can make at home and enjoy। I'm going to share them with you and you try it out and see how beneficial it is for your weight loss journey। Now breakfast हमें खानी चाहिए या नहीं खानी चाहिए weight loss journey में बहुत कंफ्यूजन होती है, बट आई हैव बीन ऑलवेज अ फैन ऑफ ब्रेकफास्ट, गुड नाइस न्यूट्रिशियस हेल्दी ब्रेकफास्ट। इट सेट्स द डे राइट। जो हॉस्टलर्स है, जो बिजी है, जो वर्किंग मॉम्स है या फिर जो कॉलेज की पढ़ाई या स्कूल की पढ़ाई को लेकर बिजी है, टीनेजर्स है, वो भी ये रेसिपीज को बहुत ही इंस्टेंटली बना सकते हैं। So chop the vegetables of your choice and add a little bit of salt and red chili powder and mix it. Then add the mixture on a slice of bread, any bread of your choice. Then in a pan take a teaspoon of ghee. By the way guys, you can have ghee when on your weight loss journey because it boosts your immune system, it improves your metabolism, provides you with healthy fats, and it's high in omega-3 fatty acids. Of course, great for regulating your weight, and it has much fewer calories than butter. Let me not even get started with the benefits of ghee for your skin and your hair. Of course, enjoy ghee in moderation, and here your vegetable ghee sandwich is ready. Take fresh beetroots and grate them nicely. Then you have to roast them a little bit in ghee and blend it nicely in a mixer. Now जैसे आप रोटी बनाते हो, simply आप आटा लो and उसमें आप ये पेस्ट डालो, and then जैसे आप सिंपल रोटी बनाते हो वैसे ही आप इसको पराठे को बनाइए। Now of course I'm going to make the parathas in ghee, and the brand of ghee I'm using is called Anveshan. It's a local brand and it is procured from farmers in South India. They feed their Khalikar cows on natural fodder and leave them freely to graze. It's an Ayurvedic heritage. It's tridoshi, that is it pacifies Vata, Pitta, Kapha when consumed in moderate quantities, which makes it better than most other ghees. It's procured by traditional Bilona method from A2 cow milk, then it comes to curd, then makhan, and then comes the Anveshan ghee. Now it's made through bidirectional churning. Why it is better than other method is because low flame to yield yellow golden ghee, which will actually retain all the nutrients. What I love about the Anveshan brand is that it holistically helps in empowering farmers. So it's an Indian brand, local brand है. Of course, it's also very similar to my own name. But मैंने जब सुना कि how they're actually helping a lot of villagers in the south and how they're helping to generate employment and standing for the farmers, reviving old traditional systems of making these products, I was so intrigued to try them out. So here it is. The beetroot parathas are ready to be served hot and nice. I'm taking oats and apples in a blender. To this I'm going to add my lactose-free milk and a pinch of cinnamon. Now I'm going to blend it well. After that, to make it more fiber rich, I'm going to add some organic chia seeds. So I have a bunch of seeds here from the Anveshan brand which are organic, and some of them are also roasted in rock salt and organic turmeric. Now time for my favorite recipe. I'm taking 2 eggs, I'm adding some chilies, some salt, and lastly grating some cheese to it. And then I'm going to make an omelette. This is my favorite go-to breakfast recipe. And of course I'm making the omelette in ghee again because it's so yummy, so tasty. I'll have the product links in the description box below. You can also avail a 15% discount on the Anveshan products. Do give it a shot. I assure you they're authentic, they're genuine. You will not regret it. And one more last thing guys, if you guys also try any of these recipes for breakfast or your snack, don't hesitate to tag me on Instagram and share with me, and I'll be really happy to repost and reshare them. So I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.